Good morning, grade 3. How are you? Today we're going to take the last lesson in our book, which is lesson 10, page 811, problem solving investigation. Our strategy for today is to draw a diagram. So today the shape is not drawn for us, we have to draw it. Okay. Colin's father is building a rectangular sandbox. It has a width of 4 feet and a length of 6 feet. The wood that goes around the sandbox costs $2 for each foot. So each foot will cost $2. If they have $50, would that be enough to buy the wood? Let's start solving this slowly. They told us they want to count the price of the wood that goes around the sandbox. So what goes around the sandbox is the perimeter. We need to find the perimeter first, then to know the cost by multiplying. So how many feet length? Okay, let's see now. Okay, the sandbox is 4 feet by 6 feet, so 4 length, 6 width. The wood costs $2 for each foot. They have only 50. We want to know that do they have enough money or not? Okay, so draw a diagram to represent the sandbox. This is the diagram. When I say draw a diagram, I mean use your ruler to draw 4 by 6 rectangle. 4, 6, 4, 6, okay? As this one, you have to draw it, okay? In this question, it is done for you, but in the other questions, you have to draw it. So let's find the perimeter. 4 plus 6 is 10, plus 4 is 14, plus 6 is 20. The perimeter is 20. Each foot will cost $2. So we're going to multiply 20, which is the perimeter, with by 2. So it will cost them $40. They have 50, so they have enough money to to buy or to do the sandbox. Is my answer reasonable? Explain. It is, because if we multiplied 4 by 2 plus, okay, why it is reasonable. Now, if we want to find the cost of each side, I will multiply 4 by 2, 6 by 2, 4 by 2, and 6 by 2. When we add the answers, it will cost $40. So yes, 40 is less than 50. They have enough money. I'm going fast, I know this, but this lesson is not new at all. That's why. A picture frame is 2 inches longer and 2 inches wide. Okay, a picture frame is 2 inches longer and 2 inches wider than the photo shown. The photo is 4 by 6. It is 2 inches longer and 2 inches wider. So it will be 6 by 8, okay? So when we draw a diagram here, we will draw 6 by 8, okay? 6 by 8. Now, what is the perimeter? We need to find the perimeter. So what facts do you know? That the photo has a length of 6 inches, a width of 4. The frame is 2 longer and 2 wider, so it has a length of 8 and the width of 6. We need to find the perimeter. Our plan is to draw a diagram, then to count the perimeter. We draw the photo first, which is 6 by 4. Then we draw the diagram behind it, after it by 2 centimeters. So it is 8 by 6. To count the perimeter, we're going to add 8 plus 6 plus 8 plus 6, which equals 26 inches. Is our answer reasonable? Yes, because the perimeter of the photo is 6 plus 4, 10, plus 6, 16, plus 4, 20. So if we added 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 in each side, 8 inches longer, so the perimeter will be 20. It is not important for me to check your answer. Also, you can skip writing all of this. Wait, let me show you. Okay. I want you to draw the diagram. Okay, draw the diagram. Draw this. It is important to draw the diagram and write this sentence. Okay. You can skip writing. Check your answer. You have to write the plan, what do you need to find, and what facts you know. Okay, I think everything is clear now. Grade 3, I want you to practice, so I'm going to do only the next page with you, but the next 3 pages will be your homework. So this is the last page, I'm going to do it with you. Phil cut a piece of yellow yarn that was 7 feet long. Okay. Kendra cut a piece of red yarn that was 2 feet shorter. So this was 7, 2 feet shorter, make it 5. Okay. William cut a piece of green yarn that was 3 feet longer than the piece Kendra cut. We said that Kendra's piece is 5. So, okay. To make this thing clear, let's try to write, okay? To write what information we know. I will write PH instead of Phil. Okay? We said that his piece is 7 feet. Okay. Now, I will write K instead of Kendra. Her piece was 2 feet shorter. So 7 minus 2 is 5. Now, okay. William, I will write W instead of William. William cut a piece of green yarn that was 3 feet longer than Kendra's. So this is Kendra's piece. It was 5 inches. Add 3 to 5. It will be 8 feet. Okay, the unit is feet, not inch. So the answer is 8 feet. Grade 3, if any question was hard for you, try to write while you're solving. Try to write all of the information you can understand from the question. Okay, question 2. Lista is planting flowers around the outside edge of her rectangular garden. The garden is 12 feet long and 10 feet wide. So we know that the garden is 12 by 10. She will place 1 flower at each corner, and the remaining flowers will be placed 2 feet apart. How many flowers will she plant? First, let's draw our diagram. We know that this side is 12, this side is 10, this side is 10, and this side is 12. This is our diagram. Now, I'm going to use another color and I will put a circle instead of the flower, okay? We know that she will put 4 on the edges like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, you have to know that between of them she will place a flower after 2 feet. So let's start from here. 0, 2, 4, 6. Okay, why it is not writing? Okay, I'm going to try again. 6, 10. Okay, here 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now 10. Okay, sorry, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Let's count them. Start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. That's why the answer is 22, because we planted 22 plants. Is it clear? I think it is. We use the diagram to do this question. A community center is organizing a dance. There are 4 large columns, okay? arranged at the corners of a square. The decorating committee will hang one large streamer for each column to every other column. How many streamers are needed? Let's read it again slowly. So they organizing a dance. They will have 4 large columns, okay, at the corners of a square. So let's draw a square and use another color. They will make what? 4 large columns. So one here, one here, one here, and one here. Okay. Okay. Now, they will hang one large streamer for each column to every other column. So from here to here, they will put one. From this place to this, they will put one. From this place to this, they will put one. Okay, so this will heat until here, this until here, this until here, and this until here. Okay, but you must notice that, okay, just 1 minute. Grade 3, I'm very sorry. Something wrong happened. Let's try to do it from the beginning. I'm sorry that I stopped suddenly. Okay. Okay, let's start this question from the beginning. We know that the place is a square, okay? They want to put a column on the angel on the corner of each square. Oops, okay, again. Okay, this is the square and this is the columns that they will make. Okay, now we know that they want to put heaters or okay, a streamer for each column. They want each streamer to what? To give heat to the other sides. So they will put one here to give to here, and they will put one to give to this side, and will put a third one to give to this side. And the same for this side. They will put a streamer to give here, one here to give to this side, and one to give to this side. So they need the air to reach all the places. Okay. So this is what will happen. They will put one streamer here for this side, one streamer here for this side, one streamer here for this side, and one streamer for this side. They will put extra one from here to here and extra one like this. Okay, again, to make it more clear. This is the last time, okay? This is the square. I'm not going to draw streamers, I'm only going to draw arrows. They want one from here to here. One like this, one like this, and one like this. But this doesn't make each side reach the other. So they need one like this to send from this side to this side, and one like this. That makes them 6 streamers. So all the sides are included. Okay. A cafeteria table has a length of 8 feet and a width of 3 feet. If 3 tables are pushed together, what is the combined area of the tables? We have to find the area of one of them. So 8 multiply 4 equals 24. Okay. Again. Okay, equals 24. So we will add 24 for each table. 24 plus 24 plus 24 is 72. Now before my homework, okay. Review the strategy, page 814, and my homework, page 815, 816, is your homework. I want you to do them and to send me the answer. This is the last lesson in this semester, and now we finished our book. Study hard for the exam. It is not hard, but it is not easy. Study hard, please, and bye bye.